Here's the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is get your battery and your SD card. Okay, your SD card, the max speed, the max size SD card is 1 TB, 1 terabyte. However, it can go to 2 terabytes if you have the right speed class. But I'm only using a small 128 gigger here. So first thing is go ahead and grab your GoPro, and we want to go ahead and open up this latch and install the battery and the SD card. So this latch right here, you just want to like press up, and then swing the door out. When you first get this, it's kind of hard to do, but after a while it just gets easier and easier. Anyway, you have this open here. Now we're just going to match the contacts to the battery here. So it's going to go down like this, but I want to first put in this SD card, because you can put the battery in first and then the SD card, but it's a little bit harder for me to get the SD card in there because it's kind of spring loaded. So anyway, the SD card goes in that little tiny slot there. You can see just like that. It's spring loaded, so you hear like a click all the way down. Okay, now let me just put the battery in here. So you can see the SD card is kind of flusher, so you got to use your fingernail to put that in there if you have the battery in there first. Anyway, it's in there. Let's go ahead and close this up. Now we'll go ahead and power this on. Okay, now we're going to choose our language. We're going to go with, I'm going to go with English here. Okay, going to agree to the terms and use. Tap on agree right there. And this is for the GPS. GPS adds location details to your photos, videos, and unlocks data overlays that bring your media to life. So you can click that on or off. It doesn't matter. I'll click mine off. I can always go ahead and turn it on later as well. Control your camera with voice, yes or no. I'm going to go with off for now, but you can always turn it on later. Maybe if I'm riding my bike, I don't want to use the buttons, I can use my voice to turn it on and off. So I get this message here. It says SD card check. Try a different SD card, A2 V30 speed or higher. Okay, so I went around looking around for an SD card that has that, and I found a smaller one, a 64 gig, but it says V30 on there. So let me go ahead and try that one. Okay, so I didn't take the battery out, I just took the SD card out. And now I'll just put it in this way here. Gotta have fingernails to make it snap into place. Okay, there we go. It's in. Okay, now it says checking. Okay, looks good. Looks like it went through. So now we're just going to leave it like this. Next thing is we want to download the GoPro app. So go to your phone, your tablet, go to your app store, and just type in GoPro, and it should be this GoPro Quick. That's what the app here looks like. Go ahead, download and install that. Once you have the Quick app here up and running, go down here, tap on GoPro, and then tap on the plus sign here. Oh wow, look, we found your GoPro Mission 1 Pro. Okay, let's just go ahead and connect. It says pairing. All right, pairing request. We'll tap on pair. Oh, just heard a chime on the GoPro. All right, it just said camera paired. And read through that. We're going to tap on continue. Wants to join my Wi-Fi network. We're going to tap on join. We're probably going to get an update here as well. Yep, here's the camera update. We're going to go down to continue here. Read through all that and then accept and continue. It says downloading update on the GoPro. Okay, so it would turn off and on a bunch of times, and eventually I'll be able to see myself on the camera there, and then we'll go to check your camera. Update is complete, when you can see your live view from your camera on your rear screen, so we can see. Now let's tap on continue. Now name your GoPro. You can name it whatever you want, but I'm fine with the default here, so I'm just going to go ahead, leave as, or save name, Mission 1 Pro is fine. Subscribe for upload, that's up to you. I'll just click on, I'll do this later. You can do it later or never do it, up to you. And we'll tap on let's go. Anyway, there you go. We're up and running. Any questions or issues, just comment below.